Ain't nobody's down but us. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and we're back like a crack at it with another freaking video. If you're new here, I'm not gonna ask you to subscribe right away. I'm gonna let you watch a little bit before I get all in your grill and ask you, is you gonna subscribe to this channel? I already know the answer is yes, so I'm gonna thank you in advance for that. And y'all, in today's video, we're gonna do another weekly hairstyle. I've been posting different hairstyles that I've done, like, and they'll last like a whole week. So I think I want to continue this series until I put me some braids in, and these are all kind of like protective hairstyles. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Another one, as you can tell by the thumbnail, it came out right. It came out all right? So I'm gonna show you guys how we starting off with. My hair is freshly washed and I've already moisturized it. I've been using my husband Jamaican black castor oil biotin. With that being said, let's hop into the freaking video. Alright, so y'all, this is what we working with. Freshly washed. I did not blow dry it or stretch it. I just did some things around the house, cleaned up a little bit, ate, chit chat, scrolled on TikTok while it air dried. It's still like 80%, not like, it's like 80% dry. 80% dry. And this is what we working with, y'all. My hair is so uneven. Like, I just want to go get it done by a professional, but I'm so cheap. And they be charging an arm and a leg. But this is why I need my sister, because my sister would have had me together, y'all. Together. Alright, so today's goal is to do like a section of hair like this. And we're going to do flat twists. Not two strand twists. Flat twists. Because I've been seeing a lot of people saying doing flat twists, flat twists, flat twists. No, y'all are doing two strand flat twists. Y'all confusing the two. It's a flat twist, and then it's a two strand flat twist. Y'all are doing two strand flat twists. Okay, I just wanted to make that clear because yeah, it's misconstrued information floating around on TikTok. And I just wanted to, like, y'all are not doing flat twists. Y'all doing two strand flat twists. There are two different things. Two completely different things. So the star of the show for this video is, let me show y'all. Wait, I'm getting it out. Okay. This is the star of the show. This is 100% human hair Afro puff. And I got this from Hergivenhair, I believe. And if I can find the link, I'll put it in the description box. And so y'all can get it. But it's very realistic. This is very realistic now. This was originally supposed to be for my mama. But she really not a big fan of it. But I am, so I was like, Mama, I'm gonna wear this. So this is my first time putting this on, putting it together. I washed the hair and I put leave-in conditioner on it, and I used mousse to define like the curls a little bit, as much as I am. But when I put it on, we gonna finesse it some more, spray it with some water, and you know, like, it's like you would do your real natural hair. With this ponytail, it comes with two teeth, and it's not like a normal ponytail. Like, you have, it's flat like this, and then you stick your teeth in your ponytail, and then you pull to correct the puff. So this is just going to be added to my weekly, like, I'll take it out every day, but it's just something simple you can pop on your head. And since today, Today is Tuesday. We had a freeze in Texas, you already know. So I didn't have to go to work today. So I'm probably gonna wear this hairstyle for like 4 or 5 days. I don't know if I'm gonna take it into the next week or not, but it's gonna last a little bit. So what I'm gonna do first is, I've done a lot of talking, I know. But I'm trying to be more like, I don't know. So the first thing we're gonna do is part our hair off like this, like a little, I don't know what shape that is, but that's the shape that I'm going for. This. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do first. So we got the part as good as we gonna get it. And we're gonna start off doing our part for our flat twist. I guess if you don't know how to flat twist, I'm gonna show you, but it's really easy. I don't have any black rubber bands, so I'm gonna be using these. And I think I'm gonna use all the pink ones, all the pink rubber bands. All right, so what we're gonna do first is just start. I'm gonna start on this side, but I'm gonna use some braiding gel. I really wish I need to get some jam for stuff like this, because this gel is kind of thick and it's really not necessary. But this is the only gel that I have right now, besides the Eco Styler gel, but they don't do parts like this. All right, so now that you got your part section, I'm just gonna take some of the gel and put it on the outside of the part. You don't need a lot for this. And instead of doing a flat, two strand twist, we're going to do just a flat twist, which is when you take the hair and you just roll it. Something easy, something simple, and we're just gonna do the rest of the section, and I'll be back to slick this hair in a ponytail. My mom was giving me a head massage, and she was like, I don't like how you got a bunch of missing pieces of hair. I'm like, Mama, what you talking about? My hair just dirty, ain't no missing pieces. But I see what you're talking about. Like, look, right here. Can y'all see that? No matter how much I try to get that part straight, it ain't, because it's a bald spot right there. I don't know where they coming from. So that's that got me thinking like something is wrong internally. So I need to figure out why is that happening. So not only is it right here, y'all can tell it's right here because my hair is super thin right there in that spot. I'm gonna have to shave it all off. That's what it's looking like. I'm gonna have to shave it. No, I'm just playing. All right, so that's how we looking with the flat twist. And we're gonna go ahead. I don't know if I wanna do a low bun or... Wait, before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go with this oil and just... I need my ends clipped so bad. I just wanna cut it off, really. I really wanna just start all over. I'm gonna go in and just grease my scalp with some Blue Magic because the scalp been, oh, it just been itching. It's been needing some love. I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I finally finished greasing my scalp. That took a little minute because didn't nobody want to help me. So I had to do it on my own. And decided I'm gonna do a high ponytail. And we're just gonna grease it up. I already got my hair kind of section off. So the back and then the middle, and I'm gonna start with the middle section first. And I'm gonna be using Eco Styler gel to smooth it all out. A dimming brush, a regular brush, and a comb for the sides. Let's get into it. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple of hours while I cook, and then I'll come back and finish the whole look. And it's been about 2 hours, and the food is in the oven, so I can come back and finish this video, and hopefully it's dry enough. And yeah, so let's see what we working with. I don't know if y'all seen this clip or if I left the clip in, but my husband did edge me up back here because my kitchen was kitchening, okay? It was cooking back there. So, look at this. What is it? Did I forget to put this hair in? What is that? I'm just gonna touch it up with some gel. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. I would normally, you know, get cute or whatever, but I'm already cute, as you can tell. I love how it turned out. This looks so much like my real hair. Do it not? It does. I know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed creating it. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that like button. I gave you time. Don't say I didn't give you time. I gave you time to think about subscribing. Now we're at the end of this video. We go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.